I want to congratulate His Highness Omukama Iguru on the 31st anniversary of his coronation. I'm, however, sorry to find that he's sick. I called on him. We should continue to pray for him. I want to thank the committees, together with the Omugo, who are running the affairs of the kingdom when the king is sick. When we restored the kingdoms, I knew what we were doing because I know this area very well. We are part of the ancient culture of this area. I know the contribution of the kingdoms and their limitations. The kingdoms, first of all, we had one kingdom of the Wachwezi, which united all of us for some time, had succeeded in uniting a bigger part of Uganda. And that's why, if you read my address to the Ruchiko, 1993, I made this very clear, how there was a contribution the kingdoms could make, but they should avoid the old mistakes. Modern states are built on democracy. So that's why we said the kingdoms should not mix with the political issues. Let the people elect their leaders, but the cultural leaders have a role. The governance of today, through democracy, the governments are responsible for legislation, administration, and politics, and planning for the economy. There is a gap which the modern states cannot do well. Who looks after the indigenous languages? Because the governments are mainly conducting business in English and to some extent in Swahili. So we said, no, this area will die if nobody is looking after it specifically. So the issue of the indigenous languages should really be concentrated on by the kingdoms, assisted by the government. Then you have the issue of customs. The modern state is not very clear on that. That's in order, because this is now social action. It's not politics, it's not what, it is social economic action. Therefore, those four areas, language, food, some of the customs which are rational, and finally social economic action.
Muhimbo mwingi muno kutangira hanu Omukama wa Bunyoro Kitara. Webale muno kwija kuba naitwa akiro kinu. Webale kugonza Bunyoro. Myezi 12 ehoire. Guno murundi gwayo gwa mukaga noija Bunyoro. Tukusima muno, webale muno kwija waitu kandi webale kutwikazaoga omutima. Ekiro kinu white president tukujaguza emyaka 3 kurugarukira abasajja Dr. Solomon Gafabasa Iguru ajumule ngoma. Hanyuma ya government yawe yagaruireho obukama bunu kandi tukusima abugara obukama bunu tumuterero mu ngaro kinsa president. Muhimbo mwingi kiro kinu kandi kutawarukira abasajja Dr. Solomon Gafabasa Iguru omukama wa Bunyoro Kitara habwe emyaka 3 eyamazire natwebembera. Angiriza gutamba, angiriza omwebingwa, angiriza entali ya Bunyoro. Batusabire habiro bikwakwani mbasimire muno abakuru b'edini omujato runda kasiki mukoro gunu abatwaire ensimbi n'obukonyezo obukwahukana ente ebyokulya nebindi
nyete omugenzi wange owekitinisa Fred bya mukama atwoki kandi omugato habyendu bata omugavumenti ya hagati kandi nabo bayije okuramukyaho
buli gokwanjura abakurasi baitu abatwina kusaba abakurasi ba member parliament mwijanu na bachama rero 5 mudachike yemu
Omugurusa Akik Museveni President wa Uganda webali kwija Masindi na Hoima na Hona kandi webali kutenda muno bantu ba Bunyoro.
N'abantu baruhanga nywena mwebale kuija itwe nkaba ebembezi abenyikirizo zikwawukana nitukora hamu kandi this is ecuminical prayers ntujja ku bantu hayo obukama bono neihanga lyaitu omaiso ga ruhanga nitusaba
abalemi nibo bateekaho kantu basabirege niko tobe nabo omusinge tukongera kusabira ihanga lyaitu lino lya Uganda lisobole kuomera mu businge tukusoma kumanya no kugonza ruhanga no mwana we Yesu Kristo mukama waitu kandi omugisa gwa ruhanga obusozi bona isitwe no mwana no moya rukwera omugisogo gubalo mukama waitu
mpaka motoka mkuru na konketaga dozi mipamiti nyingine
ile muntekaniza zaitu hanu nkusaba wekitinisa abakama babira barugire Kongo nabo bayizire hano